So once you finish up your birthday circuit on micros, um, multi-sim, you can check it and test it and so forth. So I've got this. Here's my A and B. You can see how it's hooked into my 7-segment display over here. C, D, E, F, G. Those are all the different legs of here. These are the circuits that we put together before. So I'm gonna zoom in here, and I've set it up so you can see the. So here's, and I've got it set up just real quick. I've got it set up so um, we get. You can see I've got it set so X, Y, Z. So here's X. Instead of that, I've got A for X, so for X, then Y is S and D on my keyboard, so I can press those buttons to be able to go through things quicker. So let me go over here. Okay, so I'm gonna hit play here. Watch what happens. So here's my birth date. There's 0, there's 3, dash, 2, 9, dash, 0, and 2. So once again, let me shut it off here. So I've got 0 is my first one. So that's 0 bit. There's the second. There's 1, which is a 3. Then we go to 2, which is a dash. 3 is those two, right? 2. Then now just that one on, those off. We've got 9, and then the next one there. Next one is going to be this one off and that one on. And the final one is there, 202. So our birth date that we're going for is 0, 3, dash, 2, 9, dash, 0, 2. And that's it. Okay? So now that you've seen it work, now you can see here's my truth table here. There's XYZ. There's the number that we want. We want 03, 03 dash 29 dash 02. And we put in through our 7-segment display A, B, C, D, E, F, G here. What needs to be on for the 0 to show up, for the 3 to show up, for the 2. And you can see how these two are A and B. If you look down here, then okay, I'm sorry. Then let me go back down here. Then I go down and I put this into a K-map here. So I take the A. Here's A. I put 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then I go to the bottom, 1, 0. So 1, 0 down here, and then I've got 1, 1 there, 1, 1. And I come in here then, and I K-map it there, there, and there. And this is what I get out of it is X bar, Y bar plus YZ plus X, Z bar. And if I look up here, A and B are the exact same. So that's A and B, and when I hook it up into the circuit, you can see the circuit, I hooked A and B just up here. See how I just connected A into B right there, and that's how it's done. So I did that for each letter. So there's A and B, here's C, here's D, here's E, here's F, and here's G, and I've got my circuits from my K-maps. And then all I do is I go through and do each one of those here. If there's A and B, there's C, there's D, there's E, there's F, and there's G, and it goes into the different segments of my 7-segment display over here. I put these lights here just to show you which bit was on, so you can see how it was working when I zoomed in. But that's how this project is done. And then once you do this, you take this, print this off, and you can use this to actually put it on the circuit. Put together all the circuit and get it working that way, okay, on the circuit board. And that's all.